Okay guys, I got a 2006 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. I'm going to show you how to remove this ABS pump assembly. And this is the same for a Lexus RX400h, I think 06 to 09. This is the same module, but I'll show you how to remove it. So the first thing, this right here, just unclamp that and pop that off. I already removed a 12 millimeter right there, and then I think that is a 10 millimeter right there. And then from there you should be able to pop it up, but we're going to remove these. These are all 10 millimeters. And then move them out of the way, obviously. If you're in a junkyard, you can just cut them. And then this piece right here, I'm just gonna pull up on it. And pop that off, just like that.